Love you, Jazz. Thank you.
Who's Jazz?
Bara, kasi favorite ko yun.
Ano?
Bara to.
Spirit Breaker. Spirit Breaker.
Hindi ko na-relate sa inyo.
Ayan!
So, nagdodachikahan na lang sila.
Oo nga.
Ayan guys!
Hindi ako na-relate doon eh.
Ako si mga girls natin dyan.
Ayan. So, moving on from the Dota talk, ayan, invite ulit natin sila to join the Good Vibes Text promo para sa mga hindi nakaabot kanina. Para sa mga taong gustong maging katulad ni Michael na ang swerte-swerte ngayong kapagisingin.
Thanks to Michael for coming and spending time with us. But if you want to become like Michael today, next
Like
week
Michael?
ba? Next time we have a chat.
Next Thursday.
Just if you guys, want to win a day with us and cell phone load, plus a limited edition Good Vibes watch.
Yan naman.
Good vibes. Good vibes watch. Good vibes watch.
And Mute and Bond with the Jimmy Group. Watch out for the text question every Sunday
Yes, watch
during
out.
Good Vibes.
During Good Vibes every Sunday after Asa
Let's do
Rocks.
the doggy.
Doggy.
So when you see the question and you know the answer, you text GV space letter of the answer, which is A, B, or C, to for the question of the week to 2366.
Come on.
Mag-load at
And
mag-text
mag-text na.
Ayan, bigyan nyo naman sila ng konting pasilip sa mangyayari sa Good Vibes this Sunday.
Sorry, I was reading the I was reading the comments, guys, because you guys are.
Thank you, Yen.
Oh, they got the name, kind of.
O, diba? O, yan. So, ano pa ba dapat nila abangan sa Good Vibes?
Sana ayaw nyo. Ang big generation ni Ara.
Yeah. At who
Ang panliligaw.
who Maribeth is going to actually pick.
Big.
Who she's gonna pick, because Gab really feels lonely here in the Philippines. So ayun, so he needs someone to parang connect with, and he found that in Maribeth. Pero if Maribeth doesn't like him, then Maribeth, it's gonna make Gab very sad.
Oh.
Yeah. Anyway, ayun.
Yan, si
And more dancing. More dancing.
Hey, go, Chikara. Anong mangyayari kay Wawi dito na dapat tinabangan?
Kaya Wawi?
Hindi.
Hindi. Kate Roy.
Hindi. Baka maglanta, di ba? Oh. Alam, tandaan eh. Abangan.
Yung mga dance
Magbubukas
moves niya.
Yeah, magbubukas ng aparador ni Chikara.
Maglalandaan.
Yung concept.
Ayan, yan ang mga dapat nyong abangan, guys. So, thank you so much,
Thank you
Ivan
so
Yen, and sa special guest natin na si Michael, tsaka si
Chikara,
for joining us today. Huwag niyo kakalimutan manood ng Good Vibes every Sunday. Tama! At kung gusto niyo makakonect with Yen and Ivan and makareceive ng mga updates nila everyday, just text Yen space on to 2366 and Ivan space on to 2366. Thank you, guys. Next Thursday, makakasama natin si James and Devon, kaya mag-log on lang.
Yeah, GV guys, after ASA.
Thank you so much. Love you all. Wow.
Yeah. Bye guys.
Wushu!
Okay na.
Okay.
Okay.
Feel the vibes and grab the chance to